This one is from a lovely lady called Rebecca, and she sent this to me from America, and it actually it's been beaten about. Now it is opened, and I did take some pictures and a video, and I sent it to Rebecca. And sadly, some of it there is a big hole down on this side here. You'll see it. There's a cell. Try to sellotape it up, but there's a big hole down on that side. We'll just open this up. I do know what's in it, and some of it's great. I mean, it's like I'm making all these new friends, and she's so lovely. She's a lovely lady. She really is. Look at this. This is a beautiful. This is a Lion brand, and it's called Baby Soft. Now, I don't know if it's meant to say bounce or buckle or buckle, I don't know, but it's like little loops. It's like made with little loopy bits on it. It's really pretty and it's so soft. Look at this. It's 100 grams. That's 3.5 ounces. And in the USA, the put is great because they'll say it's 100 grams, it's also it's 3.5 ounces, 120 yards, or 109 meters. And I know that a lot of people, when we in the UK say 200-gram balls will make a blanket, well, in a lot of the other places they'll say, oh, well, like 7 ounces will make a blanket, or 240 yards will make a nice stroller size blanket. And it's great that they put all the different sizes and that on it. Now the crochet hook, it says for a UK is, I don't even think it's got hours on it. It's got a 6.5, and I know that in the UK a 6.5 is really quite big. So it's going to be quite a small hook. I would say it's going to be a 4mm hook to do this. And I've never used it, and I'm really looking forward to making some things with this because it's really soft. Now there's a lemon one, and there's a white one, and a mint green. It's beautiful. The colours, is it the shades or is it tell you? The colour number is 157. Lemonade. The yellow is called lemonade. I'll set that aside. And obviously this one's white. And this green one is this beautiful mint green. It's called Sprout. Sprout. I love the name of that. Sprout. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. It really is. It's a beautiful shade. And look at the three of them together. Look at that together. It's absolutely beautiful together. I'll pop them to the side. Now, Rebecca does know that we think that some of those loose ones are just not, there's like a big gap in the bag, and she said that the bag was packed. And I really feel so sorry that she went out of her way to put yarn into a box and send it halfway across the world, and the people who were handling the box just they don't seem to have taken much care with it whatsoever, and it's so unfair for her. This is beautiful. There's one here that's on its own. It's beautiful, but don't worry, I can still make something with all the single balls. This one's beautiful. I think you get a little pattern. Yes, you do. You get a little pattern that's 3 on it. Oh look, that's got a different one. That's got a different pattern. That's the same granny one, and so is that one. So they give you little patterns to try. I don't think it's a granny, I think it's a cluster. It's a little cluster blanket. It's pretty. I don't know, is that one knitting? It might be. It doesn't tell you whether it's knitting, a knitting pattern or not. But it's really beautiful. Now this colour here is coral, and look at that. It's beautiful. I really like that. Look at those two together. They're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And there's a whole pack. When I opened this, I thought, oh my goodness, what the heck? And there's a whole pack of the coral. There's this one. I'm going to put that aside. This colour is peach. This peach, it's beautiful. And there's 3 in this pack. and it's absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. And then there's this blue one. I'm not just tossing it. I've got I've got another box down here, and look at that. That is absolutely amazing. This one's aqua. It's aqua. It's beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to take one of those out of there because I just think this is beautiful and you need to see this. Look at that colour. That is absolutely amazing. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's so soft as well. It's beautiful. It's going to keep me going. What will we do next? A king cotton. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Look at that. That's so pretty. I like the colour change in this. It's so nice, the colour change in this. It's really pretty. It's like a burgundy and then it goes into this light colour. It's really nice. Got my camera around the wrong way for me. It's a King Cotton World of Majestic yarn, and it's a Cotton King twirl, 100% cotton. There's 800 metres, that's 200 grams that's in that, and that's really pretty. I like that. Nice shawl or something with that. It's really pretty. Oh, look! A bag of buttons. A bag of buttons. Brilliant, brilliant. When we always need buttons, don't we? And there's so many different little ones in here. There's little flowers and there's little star-shaped ones. It's beautiful. I like these glitter ones. And you always need buttons, don't you? You always need buttons. Now, I do know that there was more packets of buttons in there, and I think they've fallen out. I have sort of sellotaped the corner up, but it was burst right away down to the bottom. The box was burst right down the seam, right down the side. So what we've got with this is so pretty as well. Ice yarn. I like ice yarn. I've never tried ice yarn until someone donated me some, and I have got a tutorial that I haven't showed you yet. I'll get that out first. It's a bit noisy. It's like Christmas time, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's so soft. That's pretty. Now, I did get a donation of ice yarn from a lovely lady called Claire, and I have done a tutorial with it. It's just not been uploaded yet, and that's so pretty. And there's 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 8. There's 8 balls of that, and it is so nice. It's really soft as well. It really is. And you can make baby blankets from cotton. This cotton material, if you live somewhere it's really quite warm, it's really nice to crochet with cotton because it's quite light as well, and it's not so heat generate. It doesn't generate quite so much heat as well as a lot of the other yarn does. So this is some rainbow cotton. It's really pretty. Look at that. It's so pastel. The pastel colours in it are beautiful. There's 2 of those. I'll pop them aside. There's these little pretty pink ones as well. They're really pretty. There's 50 grams in those. That's from Hobby. Hobby. From Hobby. I've never ordered from Hobby either. Ice yarns and Hobby are ones that I haven't ordered from them. I know that a lot of the ice yarn and the Hobby do a lot of cotton. These are pretty. Look at these. Oh, that's going to make a nice hat. Look at that. Nice camouflage colours. Look at that. I like that. That's really pretty. 2 of those. There's quite a few of these ones. And there was a few of these ones that there was nothing in them. There was just the empty labels, and we actually think they've fallen out the box. This is so soft. It's so soft. It's pretty. It's called Bumbo. Bumbo Joy. There's 1, 2. There's another one. There's 3. There's another one of those little, sort of, that's a grey one. I'll put that there. They're pretty, that's really nice. I like that. I like that black and white and grey. That's really pretty. That's going to make something really nice. That it's nice and light as well. I mean, a lot of time, a lot of people think cotton's quite it's quite heavy, but it's not. This is quite light. That's pretty. I like the colour of that one. And there's a couple of these little ones. There's these ones, 100% printed cotton. That's really nice. It's a 8x4 quality. I don't know what that means. So I don't know if that's the thickness of it. 8x4. What else? We've got these pretty pink ones. There's one as well. There's a whole bag of grey. These are pretty. I like this. It's really soft. It's a beautiful shade. That's a different one. That's a red one. But they go together. They go together. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at this is ice yarn. Oh, there's a couple here as well. It's a whole packet, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And this is a cotton as well. It's really pretty, isn't it? It's actually, you can't quite see it. It's a grey speckle. Just the light coming in my window. That's so nice. I like that. I like that. Oh, we're getting down a little bit. We've got a couple of blues, and there's a green. And down here we've got a couple of mixed brown. That's that bumble one, or bumble. That's really pretty. Look at that. That's different colours. And we've got a green. I've got a yellow. I'll put them back in just now. This is really nice. This is multicolour number 1. This is a lamy yarn. The colour is 907. That's really pretty. It's 50 grams, 150 metres, 100% acrylic. Acrylic's brilliant because with acrylic you can wash it at a high temperature. If you do a lot of charity items like little hats and things, then the acrylic washes. The hospitals really like the items done in acrylic because they can wash it. This one doesn't have a label, and this one is Trivoli. It's a hobby one. Oh, it's so soft though. That is really soft. How soft that is. It's brilliant. Scandinavia, made in Turkey. That's really pretty. I like that. And then we've got a little multicoloured one as well. But thank you very much for this. It's absolutely amazing. It really, really is. And please subscribe to my channel. If you click on that subscribe button, and then if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So thank you very much. And if you want to do a yarn donation, just drop me a little line in the comments, and I'll send you my email, and then you can let me know. And it's brilliant. It's really great, and it's fantastic. All the people who have been taking the time to give me and send me yarn like this, it's been absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to put this back into the box, and I'm going to go and make myself a cup of coffee. I'm going to have a little cry in the corner because it's just been amazing. It's been amazing for everybody doing this for me. So once again, thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.